Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 63 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So I asked to find the exact value of the following. So this just means, or it basically is a question, where is cosine equal to -1? So normally you'd have this equal to a value, but now you have the value and you're asked to find the angle. So the answer to these questions would be the angle, because if you find the arc cosine of both sides on this side, we're just going to have theta, which is the angle. On this side, we're going to have the arc cosine of a value. In this case, our value is -1. So we're looking for an angle in both cases. This one would just be where is sine equal to a half. And for that, we need some knowledge. We need knowledge of our unit circle. So it's very important for you guys to know your unit circle, because that's exactly what we're going to use to answer this question. And for the first one, it's quite simple. It's one of the important points which are on the unit circle or on the cos diagram. So at pi, you have -1, 0. And that is where your cosine is -1. So at pi, that's the answer to the first one. And the second one, remember that you start at 0, where you have 1, 0. And as you move up, pi over 6, there you have square root of 3 over 2 and a half. This is where your sine is a half. So the answer to the second one would be pi over 6. And we use the cos diagram or the unit circle to answer this. If you aren't familiar with the unit circle, just check out my video on the unit circle, or just look it up and see what it looks like.